In this video we will talk about causes of bubonic plague. Oriental rat flea infected with the Yersinia pestis bacterium, which appears as a dark mass in the gut. The foregut of this flea is blocked by a Y. pestis biofilm. When the flea attempts to feed on an uninfected host, Y. pestis from the foregut is regurgitated into the wound, causing infection. Bubonic plague is an infection of the lymphatic system, usually resulting from the bite of an infected flea, Causesof the rat flea. In very rare circumstances, as in the septicemic plague, the disease can be transmitted by direct contact with infected tissue or exposure to the cough of another human. The flea is parasitic on house and field rats, and seeks out other prey when its rodent hosts die. The bacteria remain harmless to the flea, allowing the new host to spread the bacteria. The bacteria form aggregates in the gut of infected fleas, and this results in the flea regurgitating ingested blood, which is now infected, into the bite site of a rodent or human host. Once established, bacteria rapidly spread to the lymph nodes and multiply. Y. pestis bacilli can resist phagocytosis and even reproduce inside phagocytes and kill them. As the disease progresses, the lymph nodes can hemorrhage and become swollen and necrotic. Bubonic plague can progress to lethal septicemic plague in some cases. The plague is also known to spread to the lungs, and become the disease known as the pneumonic plague. Diagnosis of bubonic plague. Laboratory testing is required in order to diagnose and confirm plague. Ideally, confirmation is through the identification of Y. pestis culture from a patient sample. Confirmation of infection can be done by examining serum taken during the early and late stages of infection. To quickly screen for the Y. pestis antigen in patients, rapid dipstick tests have been developed for field use. Samples taken for testing include buboes, swollen lymph nodes. Buboes characteristic of bubonic plague, a fluid sample can be taken from them with a needle. Blood. Lungs.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.